Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Baillie Gifford Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. Baillie Gifford Investment Management Review My Usage Experience offers access to in-depth analysis and reviews of Baillie Gifford's investment management services. It's primarily targeted towards existing and prospective clients, as well as financial professionals interested in evaluating their investment strategies. Key features likely include performance data, portfolio analysis, and commentary on investment approaches. Their website provides details on the specific offerings. Baillie Gifford's website highlights their long-term investment philosophy and commitment to transparency. They emphasize their research-driven approach and global perspective. While specific pricing isn't readily available on the public website, the service is likely aimed at high-net-worth individuals and institutional investors, given Baillie Gifford's focus. Access is likely provided through a dedicated client portal. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Baillie Gifford Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged in using my existing client credentials. Navigating the interface was intuitive enough, with clear tabs for performance data, fund holdings, and insightful commentary on market trends. I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdowns of individual fund performance, allowing me to assess the impact of various market factors. The quality of the analysis was excellent. The reports were comprehensive and easy to understand, even for someone without an extensive finance background. I had a quick question about interpreting a particular metric, and their support team responded within 2 days via email, offering a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charts, and I wish there was a mobile app for easier access on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It provided me with the crucial information I needed to make informed decisions regarding my investments. The standout feature for me was definitely the quality of the analytical reports, which exceeded my expectations. That's my overview of Baillie Gifford Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.